Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, Smart Background version 1.1, I'm going to show you another great plugin you'll only find in Eclipse. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone you think will enjoy it, and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Now, let's take a look. I'm in Eclipse, and for this plugin, I'll go to the Plugin Manager. And once I'm in the Plugin Manager, I'm going to go to Available, and I'm going to go down to the plugins that begin with the letter S, and I'm going to find Smart Background. Smart Background will change the background color of my transcript based on my Hyperkey state. So if Hyperkeys is on, it will be one color, and if Hyperkeys is off, it will be a different color, and you can specify both of those colors. Once the plugin is installed, we'll be able to set the colors from within the Plugin Manager itself. I'll click Download, and then I'll select the plugin and enable it, and press OK, and then click Yes to restart Eclipse. I'll choose my user, and now I can return to Plugins and select Smart Background and then Configure. So at the top of the first window, it says Hyperkey ON color, and so I can select the color that I want it to be when Hyperkeys are on. For this example, I'm going to choose green, and I'll make it a light green. I'll press OK to set my on color. Next, it asks me to choose my Hyperkey off color. I'm going to again choose a color, and this time I'll choose red, and I'll press OK, and again I'm going to choose a lighter shade and press OK. Now, when I open up a document and toggle my Hyperkey state, when Hyperkeys is on, it will turn green, and when Hyperkeys is off, it will turn red. And so you can toggle your Hyperkey state and it will instantly change your background color so that you know at a glance exactly what's going on with your keyboard. If you've ever had trouble keeping track of your Hyperkey state, this is just another great way to help you do that. Don't forget that Advantage Software offers anytime support. Tech support can be reached with any question, anytime, including weekends and holidays at 772-288-3266. Email support is available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and keep an eye on your notifications for new videos. Have a great day.